Hey everyone, in this video we'll do a review of GenFM in ElevenLabs. In order to do so, first off, here we are in ElevenLabs and we're all logged in. And you're going to find on the left hand side where it says projects, we're going to go ahead and click on that. And when we do, then you're going to see the GenFM option right here at the right hand side. We're going to go ahead and click that. And here you're going to see that you can upload a document, you can import from a URL, or you can use an existing project. So this is where what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have a document that's prepared. You may want to use a chatbot like ChatGPT or Claude or any other number of chatbots that you might find useful. And if you can generate the content that you're looking for, then you can take that document, you can upload it here, and then you have your host voice and you can even add a guest voice. Then we also have several different models that we can choose from. You can see those here, so you're going to want to choose whichever one is the most relevant to what you're needing for your project. And then you also have the quality here, and you can see that there are a few options here, but the other ones are only available on the Pro plan, so keep that in mind. But what you can do is once you've uploaded your document, you can select your host voice, you can select your guest voice, your model, your quality, and then you can click generate, and ElevenLabs will begin to generate your GenFM podcast. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.